Hi everyone, Miss Ashley here, and today we are going to draw Anger from the movie Inside Out. All right, let's get started. Let's start with the top of Anger's head. Now his head has a line that goes straight across like that. And then we're going to draw a line going down. And another line going down. And notice this top line is a lot longer than these two side lines. All right, let's go right here in the middle, and I'm going to put just a small dot. And then I'm going to draw a line from here to that small dot. And from that dot to the side of his head. All right, now let's work on Anger's face. Next, I'm going to draw his brow line. So let's start up here on the top left, and we're going to draw a little V shape. And I'm going to start on the left of this V shape, and we're going to draw the eyes. His eyes are like half ovals, like that. And he has some very angry eyes. All right, now let's draw the inside part of the eye. And one more little circle. We're going to do the same on the right. Okay, next let's draw his mouth. And now his mouth is going to be a straight line going across like that. And then the top of it kind of curves a little bit. So we're going to start here. We're going to go up, curve down, up, and connect. And then to draw his teeth, we're going to draw another straight line going across. Perfect. All right, now pause the video if you need to catch up, and if not, let's keep going. All right, I'm going to draw Anger's body. So let's start here on the left, and we're going to draw a short line going down. And same on the right. Another short line going down. Okay, now we can jump up top. You see where this V kind of makes a point right here? This is where we're going to draw his tie. So I'm going to draw a line going across. And another short line underneath of that. And then we can connect it. So that is the top part of his tie. And then we're going to draw a line kind of going angled out and then angle it back in. Angle out and then angle back in. And then his tie has like a little, like a zigzag design on it. All right, and the shirt that he's wearing has a collar. So what we're going to do is we're going to start here on the left side of the tie and draw a little angled line down. And then we're going to connect it to the side of his body. All right, let's jump on the right side of the tie, and we're going to draw a short little angled line out and connect it to the side. That looks perfect. All right, now let's start here on the left, and we're going to draw a line going straight across and another line going straight across, and this is the top part of his body. Okay, next we're going to draw the legs. So I'm going to start here on the left, and we're going to do a short line going down. And I drew this line just a little bit longer than kind of like where his tie ends, because we're going to start right here at the point of his tie, and we're going to draw a short line down there. And then let's connect those two. All right, same on the right. We're going to draw a short line down and then connect it. And then his pants have like a little cuff at the bottom. So we're going to draw like a little, oops. We're going to draw a little rectangle right there underneath. And another little rectangle on this side. And then Anger is also wearing a belt. So I'm going to draw a small little rectangle here. And then another one right next to it. And that's going to connect to his tie. So that will be his belt. And then we're going to draw the same thing on the right side. Draw a little rectangle, and then jump over just a little bit, and another little rectangle. All right, that looks great. And then for his shoes, those are super easy. Let's jump over here to the left, and we're gonna make just like a little half of an oval shape like that. And then give him a little shoe on the right. All right, now pause the video if you need to catch up, and if not, let's draw the arms. So I'm going to start on the left. You see right here, like where the collar of his shirt kind of comes to a point. I'm going to start right there, and I'm going to draw a short angled line out. And then I'm going to connect it to his body. So it's like a little triangle. And then his shirt also has cuffs. So we're going to draw a small little rectangle right there. And now Anger has angry arms. They're kind of balled up into a fist. So we're going to start right here at the collar, or at the cuff of his shirt. And let's draw a little curved line going out and down and then straight across. And I'm going to leave a little space between his hand and the body. And then we're going to draw a line going up and across, and it's gonna curve in like that. And now right here, I'm going to draw a line going across and then a little line there. So that's like his fist. I think I might make that a little less curvy. All right, let's jump over here to the right side, and I'm going to start the arm right where this point is from his shirt. And we're going to draw an angled line going out, and then it's going to come back in. So we're making our little triangle shape, and then we're going to draw a small rectangle for the cuff of the shirt. All right, and now let's draw his arms. So I'm going to start right about here, and we are going to curve around, come down, and over. So that line curves around, comes straight down, and over. We're going to leave a little space between his fist and his body. So we'll draw a line up, over, and connect it. All right. And then draw a line going over and a line down, and that's like his fist right there. There we go. That looks awesome. All right, I think that looks great. Now let's color. Our drawing looks amazing. Now pause the video. If you need to finish coloring, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for drawing with me. Have a great day.